Hi guys, this lesson, we're going to talk about dancing and singing. Before starting this game, you need to install Touch Sensor and MP3 module on the expansion host of Shoulder firstly. The installation method, principle, and command used in this lesson can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Now let's get started. Open LX terminal and the command and press enter to come to the directory of game programming. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and can fill in keyword with type key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Please note that TonyPi Pro needs to be placed on a smooth and flat surface to avoid falling. Now let's look at the performance.
你让我每个明天都变得有意义。生命虽短，爱你永远不离不弃。你是我的小呀小苹果，怎么爱你都不嫌多。红红的小脸温暖我的心窝，点亮我生命的火，火。你是我的小呀小苹果，就像天边最美的云朵，春天又来到了花开满山坡，种下希望就会收获。
Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.